The three falling peaks pattern is preceded by an uptrend, and the pattern itself suggests a break further to the downside. There are three peaks. The second peak's high price is less than the first peak's high, and the third peak's high is less than the second peak's high. The peaks should be fairly similar in width. You can see in this photo. Key points. 1. Descending tops is a pattern found in the price chart of a security in which each peak in price is lower than the previous peak. 2. Traders identify descending tops after 3 successive peaks. 3. This pattern indicates a bearish trend in the price of the security. 4. The opposite of descending tops is known as ascending tops, which is a pattern in which each price peak is higher than the previous one.